Hello and welcome to CATIA V5 Sheet Metal Design course from EDST e-learning. CATIA is the world's leading solution for product design and experience and is used in different industries like aerospace, automobile, defense, etc. CATIA V5 Sheet Metal Design course will be beneficial for users who have some exposure to CATIA V5. By the end of the course, you will have a deeper understanding of sheet metal design by learning the advanced tools in CATIA V5 Sheet Metal Workbench and will be eligible for the design opportunities available in the industry. I hope you have completed the CATIA V5 Part Design 1 and CATIA V5 Part Design 2 courses. The recommended version for practicing the exercises is CATIA V5 R21 and higher versions. Each chapter covers step-by-step process of designing the sheet metal. I recommend you to learn each chapter sequentially as each chapter will add a new skill and familiarizes you with the sheet metal design interface. In this course, you will learn to define sheet metal parameters. You will learn to create wall and wall on edge with bend. The course will cover the creation of cutout, louver, surface stamp and bead. You will learn to create the flange, extrusion, cylindrical bend, hem flanged hole, etc. In addition, we will discuss about circular stamp and user-defined stamps like punch, punch and die, etc. We will also discuss about rectangular pattern and countersunk hole. The course will cover how to make a stiffening rib and how to create fold or unfold view. Associated with each chapter, there will be exercises, and in this course, there are 4 exercises for you to practice which are available in the downloadable exercises. As part of the course, you will design door hinge, cover, bracket, stapler magazine, and hinge bracket. You can download these exercises and practice repeatedly so that you will be able to get hands-on experience in CATIA V5 sheet metal and reinforce what you have learned in this course. CATIA V5 sheet metal design course will help you to have a better understanding of sheet metal parameters, terminologies, and operations to design the sheet metal. You will be able to create sheet metal design using walls, flanges, bead, louver, etc. EDST e-learning is an online learning platform developed by EDST Technologies, leveraging 25 years of experience as the leading engineering and PLM solutions company. Once you complete the course, you can avail the course completion certificate. Enroll for the course and enjoy the learning experience.